Hi, it's Jamie, and we are ready for tin box number 22. I have something in here that I'm very excited to show you, and it is zircon. Now, I have been a huge fan of zircon for years, and if you are not familiar with zircon, a lot of people do confuse it with zirconia because the word zircon is in there. But there is a big difference where cubic zirconia is a lab made diamond version. Zirconia has nothing to do with diamonds, but it does have very diamond like flashes. Check it out. It is a stone that has a natural luster. So there's no finish on this. This is just how it looks. I love it. Love, love, love it. I do have four strands. Jason and I handpicked all of these, and I do think that they're exceptional. I will be happy with whatever strand is left for me. So, strand A has a lot of color, and this one I think is 6 millimeters. It's got like some honey, cognac, champagne in here, whereas the strand B is mostly taupe. It's got some shades of like, almost like a lightish silvery gray purple in here. So if you like more single monochromatic colors, C 6.5 millimeters is a little bit bigger than its counterpart here. So it has like a little bit more weight and heft to it. And this is G 8 to 9 millimeters. Holy smokes, this is like the winner. Check it out. I think that I should have had a tin box just dedicated to this only so that you could enjoy. But feast your eyes, my friends, on some of the most lovely zircon ever. Okay, now what else is in this tin box? Let's celebrate October. I almost forgot what I was going to celebrate. So this right here is 10 millimeters blood red tourmaline. What makes this special is red and pink tourmaline is called rubellite. This color right here is darker than your typical pink tourmalines. And a lot of people who come in looking for red beads, sometimes they just can't find it because of the garnets that tend to be more orange or green or even blackish. So if you want like a nice red color, then this red tourmaline might be the one for you. We've not carried it in the store yet. This is our first time coming out with it. I don't have that many. I only got like I think two handfuls of this. It is a harder stone as tourmaline is. So if you want to do something that you can wear it as a bracelet and not worry too much about banging it around or being really active, I think you might like these red ones. Red is such a good color for your first chakra as well, strengthening you, keeping you grounded in your body, the color of blood. You can't do better than being aware of your body, its strengths, and working with that. Speaking of red, look at these. These are red tiger's eye. They're 20 millimeters. They're about the size of a quarter. This is like 15-year-old stock. Dug it up recently. I thought we were going to make earrings with them, but we didn't. Now we do have assortment in matched pairs. So if you buy two in the show, we'll make sure that we give you a set that is a quote unquote matched pair. If not, then you're going to get a single. Look how gorgeous these are. Then their sisters that we found are these amethysts, also 20 millimeters. Now, both of them have holes that go from front to back. Front to back being like this. So you can do the head pin handle with it. Let me just poke one for you. Dun, 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 dun. So the head pin handle is a technique where you take a head pin, poke it through, the ball will be on the front and you wrap towards it. And then you can wear it as a pendant this way. So if you would like to make something with this, check out our video on YouTube called The Head Pin Handle. And to finally finish up this show, something very special is this coconut shape, something that we love. Our vendor from Hong Kong is like the, I guess, the inventor of this shape. They're a manufacturer that makes this. Now they stopped coming to the US over 6 years ago. So we haven't been able to get them. They also have production has like, changed since tariffs and COVID. So the production of these coconut shapes, so we used to carry them in every shape, I mean every color and size prior now, it has really dwindled. But this is a strand that I had saved for years in my collection and I busted them out to share. This is a 16 millimeter faceted coconut shape, three-sided. Look how beautiful that is. This is a collectible. I love them. So there was zircon in my tin box, blood red tourmaline. Happy October to these October babies. Some red tiger eye, amethyst, and smoky quartz. Thank you for enjoying.